The stable operation of industrial robotic arms often depends on a small but critical component, the connector. If signal connections become unstable, the entire automated production line can be affected. In industrial automation lines, robotic arms perform tasks such as material handling, assembly, and welding through coordinated multi-axis motion. All of these operations are coordinated by the robot control system, which processes commands and manages signal communication. Inside the control cabinet, multiple control boards continuously exchange high-speed signals and power. If interboard connections lack stability, positioning errors, signal interruptions, or system alarms may occur. Greencon GD01 series high-speed board-to-board connectors provide reliable connectivity for industrial robot control cabinets. The series supports data rates up to 8 gigabits per second and 1.78 current per pin, enabling reliable signal and power transmission between control PCBs. Structurally, the GD01 series features a dual-contact spring terminal design. Multiple contact points enhance connection stability and minimize the impact of contact resistance variation on signal integrity. High-speed connectors help ensure stable robot control cabinet operation and improve the reliability of industrial automation.